Good morning, everybody. Solange is making some pancakes and trying. And as usual, we don't use oil. She just uses some vegan, what's it called? Vegan butter on a frying pan. And this is the batter here. Is this batter whole grain? Is it whole grain or?
Half and half.
Carla's resting here. Zoe's going to eat breakfast 3.0 now. Carla will be next. Solange, you look so Navajo this morning. The nation's going to be proud of you. Just messing around. Solange is native from Brazil, from the Amazon tribes. They're not
Navajo.
I'm sure there's a ancestry connection there somewhere. And then there's the blue jay. There's a screaming blue jay here every morning. He's after his peanuts. The same little birdhouse you've seen on the other video. The clumsy blue jay, that's him. So here he is. I'm telling you, he screams super loud if there's no peanuts now. He's hooked on it. This bird has an addiction to peanuts now. But he communicates. I mean, he's sort of like, there's a dialogue going here. We're buddies. And he's up high so the cats can get him. Pingado, this little black and white cat that we have. Pingado is very aggressive. Pingado means, in Brazil, when you go to get coffee in the morning, it's a little glass with coffee and a drop of milk. Another soldier here. So I'm trying to train Zoe here to use her, stretch her little arms a little to hold the bow. Sometimes she's cooperative, sometimes she's not. Looks like it's going up. She's kind of holding the bottle. Is it working out? Yeah. So he just finished eating. She's a happy camper here. No, there's no pancake. We forgot. Zoe here has to burp. Well, something went wrong. It tastes a little raw, but looks beautiful. It's just not cooked. We're gonna try it again. Blueberries, no butter, maple syrup. So this is pancake 2.0. This one looks pretty good. It worked out this time.